Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Welcome back to the channel. Today's session will be covering BMI calculator. BMI calculator is nothing but body mass index calculator. So we need to calculate the body mass index based on a category, and we need to see the students are undervalued, underweight, or normal weight, or overweight, or obese. So we need to calculate all the information using this data. So I have a small data with the student name, age, height in centimeters, weight in kg. I need to find the height in meters. We need to calculate the BMI, that is nothing but the body mass index, and the BMI category. Categories it is given. This is a standard category. So we'll be using this category and finding these students are underweight or normal weight or overweight or obese. Okay, let's start quickly. We have the student name, right? So here we need to have the height in centimeters. Here we need to find it in meters. For that, what you can do equals select this in centimeters divide by 100. So you'll get the 1.7 meters height. So we are able to find this and just double click on it, and we'll be able to get the rest of the people in height in meters. So we need to calculate the BMI value. So how to calculate BMI value? So we have a small formula here. So the calculation formula is same for both males and females. There is no change in the formula. Okay. So BMI is equal to weight, that is nothing but the D column, weight divided by height into square root of 2. So we need to multiply height by twice. So it says to power of 2. So how to do that? So it says height. So equals height is nothing but D2 divided by, so we are dividing the height into twice the meters. So meters is here into this. So if you want to multiply 2, we'll open a bracket here, E3 again multiply E3 twice. Why we multiplying E3 twice is, you can see this here, height m to the power of 2. So twice we need to multiply. So we are multiplying the height in twice by adding the bracket here. Hit enter. So now we are able to get the BMI value for the first student. If you copy this formula down, we are able to get the value for rest of the people. So this is the category. The BM value is less than 18.5 is underweight. Anything between 18.5 to 24.9 is normal weight. Anything above 25, equal or above 25 to 29.9 is overweight. Anything greater than 30 is obese. So we need to put this in this category. If function open bracket, logical test is we are checking the BM value. So value, based on value we need to find the category, right? I selected this. Anything less than the first point is 18.5. So I'll put it as 18.5. Anything less than 18.5 would be underweight, comma. This is the logical test. We are testing this data. That is nothing but F3 we are checking. If it is less than 18.5, if it is less than 18.5, then what should be your answer is underweight. So use the double quote for the text. So under, right, close the double quote, comma. So when you, if it is true, then it will say underweight. If it is less than 18.5. If it is false, then again we need to go to the next step. So again I'll use the if function, open bracket, select the cell again, and say it says 18.5 to 24.9. Under this range, it is normal weight, right? That means anything less than 25 would be falls under this category. So what I do is I'll put as less than 25, okay, comma. So less than 25, if it falls under less than 25 is normal weight. So normal, so weight, D-I-G-H-T, comma. I will close the double quote, comma. So here you can see I am trying to do here. So now we have tested, we have done this less than 25, and if it is less than 25, then it should be a normal weight. What would be a false? So obviously you can't end it here because we have few more steps. That is 25 to 29.9 is the overweight. Anything less than 30 falls under this category. So what I'll do is similarly F. Again, I'll start with if function. Select this BMI value less than 30. So it is greater than or equal to 30 is obesity. If it is less than 30, it falls under this category. So, comma, if it falls under less than 30 is overweight. Overweight, close the double quote, comma, and final option is if this value doesn't falls under these categories, it goes under obese. So again use the double quote for the false obesity. So just close the double quote, close the enter. Now it enter double stand. So now you can see, copy the formula down. Now you can see this is get normal weight and overweight and obese. So we can set the color for overweight. So example, I'll just copy this overweight formula here. So let me select this range. Go to condition formatting. So new rule, under new rule, go to format cells that contains. Since this is a text, I'm going to select the option as text here. I'll paste the color. So it's overweight. Overweight, I'll say, let's put it as orange. Okay. So anything orange would be your overweight. So I need to get the obese, which is greater than 30. So that is, we'll go ahead and select this range again. Go to condition formatting from home, new rule, format only cells that contains. Go to text, add the text. Here we'll put it as red as it is obese. Click OK. So nobody is in obese. Let's change the quantity and we'll see whether it works. So let's put 20. So let's put it as 130 kgs, 110 kgs. Now we can see this is showing as highlighted here. So normal weight, we'll put it as green color. So I'll just copy this, select this, condition formatting, new rule, contains specific text. So green for normal weight. We all are normal weights. Underweight, let's take it as 45. Underweight. Underweight, you have not defined any color here. So let's copy this text. So text should be same color, and we'll go ahead and change the color to some other color here. So let's say again format cells that contains specific text. Add the underweight. So let's put it as yellow. Okay. Now you can see. So this both are same color. So I just select this. Let me change the color under. Go to this again. Condition. Here in this case you need to make any changes. Go to manage rules. So this is the condition which we used for yellow, right? Let's edit underweight. So let's change the color to blue. Apply. Okay. Now you can see we are able to set the color standard and we have used if function. So if you understand, if we are using less than 18.5 means anything less than 18.5 falls under underweight. 18.5 is your actual 18.5 is the normal weight. So we are saying less than this. So that's the reason. And normal weight here again 25. Anything 25 to 18.5 falls under normal weight. So that's the reason we are given less than anything 28, 20.5. So this range it will follow and find the and put it as normal weight. Anything less than 30 is nothing but falls under overweight. Anything above 30 would be obese. So we are able to put the category also. So we are able to find the BMI category for the students of this table. I hope this session was helpful. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.